What's up, guys? Join me as I take on the ultimate DIY challenge, painting my BMW myself. Will this be a genius money-saving move or a total disaster? Let's find out together. DIY car painting has become super popular among car enthusiasts and budget-conscious folks alike. It's a creative, cost-effective way to give your ride a fresh new look. But let's be real, it's not as easy as it seems. Painting a car can be intimidating. It takes patience, precision, and a steady hand to get that smooth, even finish. One wrong move and you're looking at streaks, uneven coats, or worse, damage to your car's surface. And let's not even get started on color matching. It's way too easy to end up with a shade that's just, off. Then there's the prep work. Okay guys, as you can see, we've already applied primer on the doors, bonnet, and both bumpers. We're only painting one side today because that's where the color disaster happened. First things first, I'm grabbing a bucket of water and a clean towel, then taking some 600 grit sandpaper to smooth out the dirt and imperfections. Once that's done, I'll mask off the car and get it ready for paint. Sanding, cleaning, priming. It's a full-on commitment, but with the right tools, high-quality materials, and a solid game plan, success is definitely possible. I've heard all kinds of stories. Some people pull off amazing results, while others end up wishing they never picked up a spray gun. One friend of mine spent days prepping and painting his car, only to get a dull, uneven finish. On the flip side, I've seen DIY jobs that look completely professional. The difference? Patience, attention to detail, and learning from your mistakes. If you're thinking about painting your car at home, stick around. I'll walk you through my process, share what worked and what didn't, and hopefully inspire you to give it a shot too. Let me tell you why my buddy Ricky quit painting cars. One day this guy rolls up with a '72 Charger and says, "Make it candy apple red," but she's got a temper. We laughed. Big mistake. The paint curdled. His spray gun shot glitter. The car hissed. Like, actually hissed. Lights flickered. Radio blared polka. Steve floated to the ceiling. The clear coat formed a middle finger. Ricky nearly cried. Finally, he whispers, "I respect you, you shiny demon." And boom, perfect paint. He never touched a car again. Now he paints birdhouses. No glitter, no ghosts, just birds. Happy little birds. Have you ever tried painting your own car? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experience, tips, or even horror stories. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more car maintenance and customization tips.